We're
Yay!
live.
We are live. Good evening, everyone. Good morning or good afternoon, wherever parts of the world you are watching us from. Well, I'm Rosel Ampilocchio. I'm currently living here in Ireland for the past 2 decades with my family.
And I'm Kirsten, her youngest son, and I'm here to inspire and share this life changing opportunity. And today is day 90 of the 90-day challenge. And we have a special guest to talk with us for the last day. Please welcome Nelson Mamarel to the stage.
Hi. Hi,
Yay!
everyone.
Hey!
Hi!
Hello!
Good evening!
Hi, Rosel. Hi, Christine. Thank you so
Hello!
much
Welcome.
for inviting me as your guests. Your day 90 challenge. It's actually a
Yay!
pleasure. Okay, and guys, this day is something special for me because we're actually celebrating Father's Day today.
Yes,
Yes!
yes,
So
definitely.
to
That's
all
right.
the fathers, yep, to all the dads who are watching out there or who could be watching later on, happy Father's Day to every one of you. Okay, and yep, thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Rosel. Thank you, Kirsten.
And thank you for
For
joining
joining
us
us.
today. We really appreciate it.
Well, actually, I just only finished working night shift last night, so I just had about 2 hours of sleep and then set my alarm.
Oh,
And
Oh
wow.
my.
I am now with some eye bags, you know.
Let's go.
Okay,
so
okay.
so yeah,
So, can you please let us know a little bit about yourself?
Okay, to those who who doesn't know me yet, my name is Nelson Mamaril, and I'm current my myself and my family brought me here in Ireland, and due to my nursing profession. Okay, and
Mhm.
we are currently living here in Ireland for 22 years now, and
Wow.
I'm also a dad. I have Neil, who is 21 years of age. I have Nicole, who is 16 years of age. My wife works as she works in the healthcare system. So I am as well. I work as a full-time nurse. At the same time, I run my own online business, and it's running okay and it's running successfully.
That's
That's
great.
great.
Nice to hear that.
Thank you.
So what personal experiences or challenges led you to start your digital business, and how have these shaped your approach to entrepreneurship?
Right. If I recall, that's way back in 2019. That's during the mid of those of that year.
Mhm.
That's when my child, my son Neil, was about to go to college,
Mhm.
and on top of that, life here in Ireland is has been very expensive, guys. You know that you
Yes.
live in Dublin, and
Yeah.
I live here in
Definitely,
Sligo,
yeah.
but we are all aware that ever since life is kind of expensive, whatever
Mhm.
the time was, wherever you go here in Ireland, it could be in the city or in the countryside. But on top of that, we have mortgage. Okay, we own a house,
Mhm.
we pay mortgage. We have
Yeah.
cars, we pay the insurances, we have
Mhm.
loans, we have credit cards,
Yeah.
and uh, guys, savings is already last part of the plan, because sometimes it's just exact when you're just working the 9 to 5 job, and you feel at the end the salary or the income may not be enough. So I tried to search online, because I'm
Mhm.
actually open to any opportunity, but the way thinking that um, getting a second job is not possible because of my lifestyle. If you see
Yes.
me in Facebook, I could be anywhere, anytime. I
Yeah.
could be hanging out with friends.
Mhm.
I love traveling as well at the same time. So I don't want so much change in my lifestyle. So the best
Mhm.
was to search online. And I believe there's something much more online, and we have proven that during the pandemic time, because everything was, almost 90% of the transactions
Mhm.
traditionally, from the tradition, it went all online. We have proven that during the
That's
pandemic.
true.
And our trust, I believe our trust has more developed on the online transaction in the digital space,
Mhm.
especially this day and age we're in. um, uh, you know um, we all depend so much on online. So that time, I searched, and then so happened that I've seen the post of Belinda. And Belinda, who happened to be my college schoolmate, and the trust was already built there, but I still
Mhm.
needed to research about the business that she
Mhm.
was running.
Mhm.
So I got so interested and found out that this business has something more. It has a potential. So I digged in, I did my research, and I got really, really amazed on what I've seen.
Mhm.
So to make the story short, guys, I joined the business, and with the help and support of Belinda, I was able to run my own business, and eventually I found much passion as the journey
Mhm.
goes along. So that's the start of my business, guys.
It is really good to have a plan B
Indeed.
whenever, especially when you are abroad living with the family. It's not really easy. It's the same with me. So
Absolutely,
it's
absolutely.
really
There's a verse in the Bible that's when you seek, you will find. Okay,
yes, definitely.
that's what happened to me, guys. And when I tried to seek, and of course
Mhm.
you'll be able to, a lot of things will open up for you. And this opportunity, when it landed in front of me via my
Mhm.
Facebook newsfeed,
Yeah.
I took the courage to look into. But other than that, that where my
Mhm.
the one who shared the post for the business was Belinda. But
Yeah.
that's already an added plus, wherein I
Yeah.
knew her already. So it was great.
Yeah.
I think this journey was really meant for me from the very beginning.
That's good.
So,
Yeah.
what makes our business unique in the global digital marketplace, and how do
Oh,
you communicate this uniqueness to potential business partners?
okay. I actually remember the days when myself and Rosel was your mom. Okay, Rosel, you remember the time when we did the network marketing with some
Yes.
other business, and but then
Yeah.
I don't need to mention all those businesses, but
Yes.
um, uh, with lots of companies going around during those time, like
Mhm.
10 years ago, there are
Mhm.
some network marketings that we tried.
Yes.
Okay, and it was so traditional, and the approach was also the way we're in. It's an old school approach, like they
Yes.
ask you to join, and then once you're joined, and you
You
can
need.
just share it to your friends, and you can
Yes.
approach
Yeah.
the same friends after a week,
Yes.
and the same friends after a month, and the next time you're about to go to them and share the business or the products, the close is kind of the door is kind of closed, and there you
Yeah.
feel that they're going far from you. And sometimes somehow you will sense that kind of vibes that's not anymore working, and
Yes.
sometimes the
True.
friendship gets compromised. It's very traditional, and that's the experience with the traditional business,
Yeah.
like and the network marketing. But I'm not against the network marketing, guys,
Mhm.
because it's there's always a professional and a good business side there. It's just the way
Yes.
it doesn't work. It did not work to me and to any other ordinary people like yourself, Rosel. But
Yes.
we gained
Definitely.
some experience there. But
Mhm.
what the uniqueness of the business that I've seen is that the way we brand the business, we brand
Mhm.
ourselves. Okay, compared to when somebody had started the business the traditional way, what happens is that they brand the product. Okay,
Mhm.
Mm,
they work around that product.
yeah.
So when there's already a thousand of people sharing the products out there, and there you are, there's no more opportunity for you to get in. So what we have here in the business is we brand ourselves, and this is ourselves that we share it to the world. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and once we branded ourselves, because we are taught in the the business community on how to do it step by step, and we have all the social media platforms right now to carry on
Yes.
this branding of ourselves. This is what happening, guys. That a lot of people nowadays doing this branding thing because it
Mm-hmm.
works. This is how what it works from
That's
before
true.
and up to the present. So this is how we make a difference from the
Mm-hmm.
rest of the world, or the rest of the people, thousands of people who are branding around the product and compared to branding yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
we do this. We have this proper way of training, and
Mm-hmm.
other than that, guys, and we also have this marketing strategy wherein
Mm-hmm.
we have this a way of finding the right people
Definitely.
in sharing the right product or the right
Mm-hmm.
services that we have. So in other words, this speeds up the process, and I'm so proud
Mm-hmm.
of this marketing system that we use in our business community. The way it works ever since and up to now is so efficient, guys. So this is what we are doing, and I'm so proud of this.
Oh,
The
me too.
uniqueness
Yes.
Me
that
too.
we do.
True.
And this marketing approach has been working to thousands of members in our community, and we have all the proofs that we get the result.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely. And I'm just really grateful. I never looked back after looking at finding
Yes,
this
yes, yes,
business.
yes. It's so
You
different
just
in
look
a way that it
forward.
Yeah.
changes the way you think. Okay,
Yes,
and it changes the
definitely.
way you approach as well. And guys, when you run a business, marketing is very important. Okay, but then and
Yeah.
gone are the days wherein we pressure
Ah, yeah.
family and friends. We and then later on you feel that there's no more the real friendship because of this
Mm-hmm.
the the business that's in between, or that you
Yeah.
are after sharing with them, and it didn't happen, it didn't work. So
Yeah.
we don't want that, guys. So we have
Yeah.
this marketing ability and skills and system that we
Mm-hmm.
follow, and it really does work.
Yeah. And besides, we have a global supportive community, right?
Absolutely.
That can help you, like when you are stuck on one topic or whatever
Whatever help you
yeah, help
need.
you need. So, and you can bring it anywhere. Oh my goodness, that's the best thing in this
Yes, yes,
business.
yes, yes. And what when you mentioned about the community, Rosal, when I joined the community, we have only
Just
about
small.
16,000 in the
That's
community
right.
population.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Now we have over 200,000.
definitely.
Okay, and
207,000. Oh my
oh my
gosh.
God. And during the
Almost
pandemic
200.
times, and it went so fast. Our number has grown so much because everybody was resorting to the online or to the
Yeah,
Yeah.
digital
that's
space,
true.
and
Yeah,
and
that's
we are
true.
really pandemic proof. So we have proven ourselves that our community, our business is thriving. Whatever the
Yeah,
situation in the economy, it doesn't matter. Our
that's
business is one of the best so
Very
far
true.
in the online space.
the best.
Yeah.
I agree.
Yeah.
So, is there any challenges you encounter as a business owner, and how did you overcome them?
Okay, based on my experience, like of course in every business, especially when you're starting or maybe along the way, there's always challenge, okay, and challenges, and these challenges are actually good because it's
Yes,
part of the growth, I believe,
yes,
Yeah.
and this is
definitely.
where people who are already successful,
Mm-hmm.
it's not just a one-way ticket success all
Mm-hmm.
the way. No, they have experienced a lot of interruptions, a lot of challenges, a lot of pauses as well, but they never
Mm-hmm.
stopped. Okay,
Yes,
and when these challenges happens, to me, one big challenge is about life's challenges, Rosel and
Mm-hmm.
Kirsten. You
Yeah.
knew
definitely.
what
Yeah,
happened to me when I ran my business. The first one was when my dad got sick, and
yeah,
I couldn't fully concentrate.
Mm-hmm.
And the good thing about our business, no matter how long you pause, but don't pause too
still
long.
there.
Okay,
Yeah,
your business is still the same.
Yeah,
Okay, it
that's
Yeah.
true.
doesn't, you know, you don't have products that
Yeah.
goes to expire. You don't have other,
Yeah.
if you stop for a while, your mentor or your upline will take over everything, because this is the
Mm-hmm.
system. Okay, so when my dad got sick, and I couldn't concentrate, so I paused for around
Mm-hmm.
3 months. And then when I came back, so I didn't miss much, because we
Mm-hmm.
have the online system wherein you can
Yeah.
cope up with those things that you missed. So at the end, after that situation, I even got my next milestone, and I was
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
glad I was back. And then after that, after a year, then running the business, here comes again, my dad passed away. Okay, so I got depressed, and
Mm-hmm.
I couldn't be fully 100% running my business because of that
That's
challenge.
very normal.
And
Yeah.
when I know you, I had to give myself certain period of time to
Mm-hmm.
recover, but I didn't realize it took me a year. And then when I went back to the business, with all the support from the mentors and the coaches and yourselves, guys, I was able to hit another milestone.
Yeah.
Okay, so I was so glad. And then, because I didn't give up. Okay, I just embraced the journey, and I was focused on my whys and my big dreams. That's all what I needed to, get myself back, eventually. And the last one was when I was just lately, just last January, February, and March, because of my condition of having
Mm-hmm.
sleep apnea. Guys, I wasn't really compliant to my CPAP. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
for those who doesn't know how it works, the CPAP is like a machine that I
Wait.
wear during the night to
Ano
to
to eh?
boost or to maintain my
Parang
oxygenation
dalawa.
when I sleep, because of the sleep apnea. It I experience this prolonged
Mm-hmm.
non-oxygenation by depriving me of the
Ah,
oxygen, because I have
yeah.
a long gap of my next breath.
Mm-hmm.
So I
Mm.
wasn't
Mm-hmm.
wearing my CPAP for a long time before that. So
Mm-hmm.
that took toll on my health, and I paused for about 3 months, 4 months. But now I feel I have recovered
Better.
again, and back again on my health, focus on my health. I go to gym while running my business, and it's
Yeah.
good in a way wherein you can see yourself from down there and back again.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I believe, guys, that in every life's challenge, in every
Mm-hmm.
storm, comes with a rainbow and sunshine.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, so
Definitely.
so to those who are experiencing life's challenges, whatever you are doing, you can always
Mm-hmm.
go back, tell yourself that I will come back and go back
Mm-hmm.
where I started, or where I
Mm-hmm.
ended. But don't give up, guys. And now I'm hoping I'll be hitting my next big milestone. Okay, hopefully
Yeah.
this year, guys. And with the help and support of my mentors, of our coaches, and yourselves, guys, is actually one of the biggest milestones one
Yes.
Yeah.
business owner can ever have. So fingers crossed.
You'll get there.
You're all there.
Hopefully, yes. Please, God, this year.
Looking back on the day you started, what are your accomplishments you achieved up to this day?
Okay. Uh, okay, guys. Not to brag, but of course, when someone starts business, of course, the one of the reasons is because the one needs a financial support.
Yeah.
Yes, definitely.
It's monetary or financially.
Yeah.
Okay, so of course, when I felt that the business was running successfully, and I was able to help other people
Mm-hmm.
start the business as well. Then after this offering of value to to everyone, then
Yeah.
the financial blessing comes in. All right,
Mm-hmm.
that's the effect of providing a good offer and value to people who are needing the same experience, or who wants to start in the journey. So at first I was able to get my son into college, right now Neil has finished his nursing,
College.
and he's also working as a full-time nurse now, and I'm so
Yeah.
proud that the
Yeah.
online business has able to somehow help financially, if not fully, but at least it did help.
Yes. It helps.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes,
That's
Yeah.
I was
important.
exactly, because you do all these things, guys,
Yeah.
this extra work, extra a
For
job
the
in
family.
order to to sustain the family. It's for the
Mm-hmm.
love
Yeah.
of family. You cannot go
That's
wrong from
true.
this. Rather
Yes.
than catch yourself mindlessly checking on Facebook, looking at
Mm-hmm.
Facebook, watching Netflix.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
That's
just
true.
converting some few hours of your time
Mm-hmm.
and maintaining a good discipline,
Mm-hmm.
a good attitude on
Yeah.
yourselves, and you'll be able to materialize things that you want based on your plan if you start the
Yeah.
business. All right, so
That's
it
right.
goes with the
Right.
right mindset, right attitude, guys. If you stick with this, and you'll be able to gain the fruits of your labor, it will come. So the second was I was able to close my credit card. Okay,
Wow.
so which is
That's
great,
good.
because somehow,
Wow.
like,
Yeah.
if you don't have supplement, then or another source, if you don't have other source of revenue, then your income
Yeah.
will just be exact.
Yeah.
Okay,
That's true.
so that's one big thing that happened to me, and it also paid our previous travels, because we as a family, we always have a place to go as part of our bucket lists. So it funded, or it paid
Mm-hmm.
our previous travels.
That's true.
All right,
That's
and
awesome.
and and not only financial matters that we I got
Mm-hmm.
benefit from, but it's also more on personal development and growth,
Yes.
because at the
Definitely.
end, it was something that you wanted to see more
Mm-hmm.
deeper within you, like
Mm-hmm.
That's
connecting with your purpose,
Yeah.
and finding worth to what you are doing, aside from I'm a nurse, but I
Mm-hmm.
feel more fulfilled if I'm doing something else on the
yeah.
side
Yes.
wherein I
Yeah.
help other people. It's another extension of self fulfillment on the other end, while while earning
Yeah.
as well at the same time.
Very true. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is really a life-changing opportunity. That's why.
Absolutely, absolutely. Like, it's something. It's a journey wherein you will not only enjoy, but you will
Yeah.
also
You will develop.
You
grow
will
as a
develop. Yeah.
person. It's a personal
Mm.
development and growth, guys.
Yes.
Like, at
That's
first,
true.
I didn't know much of this marketing approach, but
Mm,
since I learned about the techniques of
that's
this,
true.
the big people in the internet industry, then
Yeah.
it's a life changing experience and skill that one has to develop, and one should not miss as well, because
That's
here in our modern times, it's very important that you will need to
you
equip
adapt.
yourselves
Yeah.
with, yes,
Yeah.
with all of these trends, what's happening,
That's true.
not only offline but online, because
Online.
in this digital times, everything
Yeah.
is digitalized and online, so
Yeah. Definitely.
Very
very
true.
important, very important.
Yeah, that's true. So, what is your message to the people who want to start this digital business but are still hesitant or skeptical?
All right. You see, everyone has the right to be
Mhm.
hesitant and
Yeah.
skeptical, guys. Like, it's normal. It's
Definitely.
part of our
Yeah.
human
That's
nature,
true.
especially if
Yeah.
it's all unprecedented, or no one has ever seen like this before.
Yeah.
So, but then don't just stop there. Okay, you
Hmm.
got to dig in. You got to
Yes.
do some research. Okay, because you
Yeah.
might not know, this might be the opportunity that, or the
Yeah.
solution to to the
Yes.
problem that you're looking for, and you might not know. You have to assess yourself: is this, am I doing the right thing, or I'm just producing a certain thoughts or words or action that's keeping me away from this opportunity. Sometimes we do it within ourselves, because we put more excuses there, rather than
Mm.
seeking the right information. So the best
Yeah.
thing is just come directly to us, okay?
To one of us.
And
Yeah.
just approach Rosel and Kirsten or myself, and then we'll give you the right
Correct
information,
information.
and that you need, no more, no less. will be guiding you step by step, and show you how this works, and without
Mhm.
any costs.
Yeah.
And of course, if we we are able to show you our community, and
Mhm.
let you witness the the blessings, and the gratitude that we have on daily basis. It's amazing, it's so inspiring. Okay, so
That's really
For
this is
sure.
true.
not exactly. And then this is not just a business, but it's something that inspire you on
Legacy.
daily basis. So
Yeah.
if like if you are a busy parent, or stay at home parent, or if you are seeking quality time with your loved ones while earning, then this thing is really really for you. If you are nearly retiring, okay, and just let us know, and we can help and guide you step by step.
Yeah, this is for everybody,
Everyone, any
everyone
age.
who wants to to have a change in their life or a plan B.
What opportunities and benefits can potential business partners get when they join, and how can they start today?
All right. Okay. You see, if you're searching for, if you are, as what I said, if you are, a busy mom or parent, and
Mhm.
or if you are also stay at home, and if you are, retiring, especially for those people who are retiring,
Mhm.
because I have, a strong recommendation, because I myself probably in 5 years time will be retiring. Okay, I
Yeah.
wanted to people who are watching, who are nearly retiring right now,
Mhm.
this is something that you need to look into, guys, because um, the common mentality is when people have reached their retirement, and that's the time they're going to
Yeah.
start the business. Isn't it that when you're
Yeah.
retiring, all you need is to relax, and you don't
That's
need
true.
much
Yes.
more
Very
pressure in
true.
life? But
Yes.
starting a business, guys, is so is another big challenge. Okay,
Yes.
you're
Yeah.
going through lots of starting itself is another field for you guys to learn.
Mhm.
It's another challenges. So how
Mhm.
could you say that you have already retired and you're facing big challenges? There's no
That's
sense.
true.
Okay, but
Yeah.
it's good for those who are about to retire and start the business right
Right.
now, and by
Very
the
true.
time you retire, there's already a business that is up and running
Mhm.
successfully.
Yeah.
And this will even stream down, or get you into early retirement, because
Yeah.
you can see the result of your business, and it's
Mhm.
already replacing your income, and it's something that you enjoy as well. Then it will get you to retire early. All
Yeah.
right.
That's
So
very true.
exactly. And if you prefer to work in the comfort of your home rather than under the supervision of your boss, or if you'd like to make a change, then this life-changing digital business, guys, will be a perfect fit for you, because you don't need to be a tech savvy. We have an easy to follow video
Mhm.
tutorials, and of course, you are provided with unlimited coaching and mentoring. Okay, so right now, right here, you have to connect with Roselle and Kirstine. Okay, they are both business partners and a mother and son
Yeah.
business
Mother
tandem.
son.
Okay, yeah, exactly. So they are so inspiring, guys, and all. Or you can connect with me as well. Simply just send us email. I mean, just
Yes.
send
Message.
us
Yeah.
message, and directly, or you can go through our
Ba't ako din?
website.
Sabi.
Okay, so
Yeah.
uh, that's all I can say, guys.
So guys, you heard it clear.
Come and join us.
Come and check this business opportunity and you'll be amazed. And it's a risk free,
Risk
guys.
free, nothing to
Nothing to
lose,
lose.
just everything to gain. There's one thing that we forgot to say.
Yes.
There is a patented compensation plan, and
Yes,
it's a legacy you can give down to your children.
Yes.
That is one
absolutely,
of the
absolutely.
opportunities of this business. So if you're young or old, it doesn't matter. You
Yes.
should definitely check it out because this is a life-changing opportunity. It's probably one in a billion. You probably won't see another one like this.
Yes.
Yes. So
That,
this business is not just for yourself and family at present.
no.
So you can
Yeah.
pass this business to your children
Yeah.
and grandchildren. So
Yes.
that's right, Christine. It's the legacy that you're all
Yeah.
also working on this. But
Yeah.
where else you can find a business wherein
Nowhere
Nowhere.
else.
Nowhere.
in,
It's just
in, yeah, and other businesses out there, you need thousands of members.
Yes.
Or hundreds
Okay,
of thousands of
yeah,
pesos.
to be able to say that you're earning
Of this.
that good
Yes.
amount,
Yeah.
and that will provide you what's we so called time freedom or
Yeah.
financial freedom. At the same time,
That's true.
you need to talk to at least thousands of people. But
Yes.
here in our business, you don't need that, okay? Because we have
Yeah.
the system, and
Yes.
all you need is
Definitely.
just less than 100 people, and
Yeah.
you can say
Yeah.
that your business would be a life changing that prepares you to the road of financial and time freedom. And yes, that's one of the best is the legacy that you can pass through to your family, to your loved ones, and to your children.
Great. Thank you for
For
watching us, for joining us, Nelson, my mentor and now coach. And thank you everyone for watching us, for joining us today. And please kindly comment below where you are watching us from. And I hope you had a good grasp of our business, and hopefully you'll consider checking
checking us out.
Checking
Just
us
send a
out.
DM.
Yes.
We're free.
We're free all the time. So guys,
Absolutely.
yeah, thank you guys. Thanks everyone.
Thanks,
Bye.
thanks Rosel. Thanks Christine. Thanks everyone.
Thank you.